Hey everyone, it's Derek with Colorado Camper Van. I got a little bit different van to show you this week. It's a Sportsmobile, it's an older one. The customer has a very clean V10, 30,000 mile four-wheel drive van that he takes extremely good care of. Keeps it down in Georgia or Michigan in a garage, heated and cooled. And so it's a clean van. His top was shot and he was looking to upgrade it. So we pulled off Sportsmobile top and put one of our tops on. I'm gonna give you a little tour of it. All right, so as you can see, I just flipped all this bed up. This one has a full cutout, which was kind of a no-brainer with the old Sportsmobile top. It was already cut out. We added our frame, our canvas, our top. So you can see how much room it gives me in this van. The couch folds out. You have plenty of headroom now. You have plenty of room to stand at the whole entire kitchen and do your work and cook food or whatever. So this top's a pretty simple top. It has insulated canvas in it, insulated top. It has a MaxxAir fan towards the front. And we're gonna go outside and see what he has mounted on the roof. Here I am sitting on top of this monster. It has 2 Zamp skinny solar panels, a MaxxAir fan, and a Load Warrior basket. We did the skinny panels so we can put them on each side of the fan to make room for the basket. The basket and the panels are all mounted on Unistrut roof rails. And then the whole top is Raptor line and silver paint to match. So I hope you enjoy seeing this van. If you have a Sportsmobile or any other van that's getting old and getting up there in age and the top's showing it and you want to get it replaced, give us a call. We'd be happy to walk you through the process and you can see how we can update your van and give it a new look and a much more useful pop top. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe and we'll see you again next time.